Welcome back to 1000 Plus Quiz. Today we are playing the Ultimate Ocean Edition. How well do you know sea animals? We have 50 massive questions lined up, and you only have 8 seconds to lock in your answer. Smash that subscribe button right now to lock in your luck, and let's dive right in. Who makes this sound? A. Shark. B. Orca. Or C. Dolphin? It's C. The dolphin. They produce these signature clicks using air sacs in their blowhole, not vocal cords. Who's more dangerous, jellyfish or shark? Surprise! It's the jellyfish! Box jellyfish venom can stop a human heart in minutes, causing way more deaths each year than sharks. What's special about starfish? A. They change color. B. They can live forever. Or C. Their arms can regrow. C is spot on. A starfish can regenerate a whole new body from just a single lost arm. Quick visual test. Spot the hidden starfish before time runs out. Ta-da! It's at position B. Did your sharp eyes catch it? How many tentacles does an octopus have? Choice A, exactly 8 arms, and every single sucker can taste and smell what it touches. What's the largest ocean predator? A. Sperm whale. B. Great white shark. Or C. Colossal squid. The sperm whale takes this one. At up to 60 feet long, it is officially the largest toothed predator on the planet. Coral is an animal. True or false? It's true! Corals are living colonies made of tiny carnivorous polyps, not plants or rocks. Memory test. Lock the position of every sea emoji in your head. Do you remember where the dolphin was hiding? Boom! Spot number 4 is correct. Be honest, did you pause the video? Drop a comment. Which one has blue blood, crab or orca? The crab takes the crown. Their blood uses copper instead of iron, turning bright blue when exposed to oxygen. What's the average depth of the ocean? C is the right call. Which sea creature can live for more than a century? A. Sea turtle. B. Jellyfish. Or C. Seal. The sea turtle wins! With their slow metabolisms, many sea turtles easily live past 100 years. What's super weird about seahorses? B is correct. Seahorses are the only species on Earth where the male gets pregnant and gives birth. Time your tap perfectly to align all 3 moving animal pieces. Comment below if you nailed it. This trash can puzzle is pure genius. Guess the animal. A. Sea lion. B. Whale. Or C. Octopus. A. The sea lion. That sleek posture gave it away immediately. Which sea animal snoozes while floating? Dolphin or swordfish? The swordfish! They love basking motionlessly at the surface to rest and warm up their bodies. How many teeth does a great white shark have at one time? A. 200, B. 300, or C. 400? B. Around 300 active teeth. They lose thousands of teeth in a lifetime, constantly replaced like a conveyor belt. Which sea animal can blend perfectly with the sand? The flounder takes it. Both of their eyes migrate to one side of their head so they can lie totally flat and invisible. What is the fear of deep water called? A. Thalassophobia, B. Aquaphobia, or C. Ombrophobia? A is the medical term. Thalassophobia is the intense fear of vast, dark, and bottomless ocean waters. Speed count. How many crabs just scurried across your screen? There were 7 little crabs. Did you catch every single one? What's the name of this fish? A. Sunfish, B. Anglerfish, or C. Clownfish? It's C. The adorable clownfish. Finding Nemo vibes all over again. A whale is a fish. True or false? False! Whales are warm-blooded mammals that breathe air through blowholes and produce milk for their young. Don't let their fins fool you. Which one produces genuine pearls? Option A. Oysters coat trapped irritants with smooth layers of nacre to create pearls. Which animal can change color instantly to blend in? Seahorse or squid? Squid is the right pick. Specialized pigment cells in their skin allow them to change patterns in milliseconds. Which animal has the biggest brain relative to its body size? A. Manta ray, B. Stingray, or C. Octopus? The octopus takes the prize. 2/3 of their neurons are actually distributed throughout their arms. Imagine having brains in your hands. What does a starfish use to move around? A. Its tail. B. Tube feet. Or C. Tiny legs. Choice B. Hydraulic tube feet. Hundreds of tiny suction cups pull them along the ocean floor. Word challenge. Can you figure out the mystery word? Ta-da! The mystery word was clownfish. True or false? Whales lay eggs on the seafloor. That is completely false. Whales give birth to live calves directly in the water. Which sea creature can puff up like a balloon? Pufferfish or jellyfish? Pufferfish. They gulp water to blow up into a spiky ball and carry deadly tetrodotoxin poison. Definitely do not touch one. Which animal sleeps with one eye wide open? Dolphin, otter, or seal? The dolphin. They only rest half their brain at a time, so they stay conscious enough to surface and breathe. What do massive blue whales eat? Krill is the right choice. The biggest animal on Earth eats up to 4 tons of tiny shrimp-like krill every day.
What's your answer? B. The hammerhead shark. That wide head gives them a 360-degree vertical view to spot prey easily. Which fish loves living among toxic coral and anemones for safety? A. The clownfish. A special mucus layer on their scales makes them 100% immune to deadly anemone stings. Focus check. Spot 3 differences in this picture before the buzzer. Here they are. Tag a friend who completely missed all 3. How do sharks breathe underwater? A. Through gills. B. Through lungs. Or C. Through their skin. A is correct. Gills extract dissolved oxygen directly from water as they swim. Crabs usually walk backward. True or false? False! Most crabs scuttle sideways because their leg joints bend outward horizontally. What clever tool do sea otters use to crack shells? Shell, fork, or rock? A rock. Otters float on their backs and smash clams on a rock placed flat on their chest. They even keep a favorite rock in an armpit pouch, which is insanely cute. Which creature can literally clone itself? Shrimp or sea anemone? The sea anemone. They can split right down the center to create 2 identical twin clones. How fast can dolphins swim? A. 10 miles per hour, B. 22 miles per hour, or C. 56 miles per hour? B. A blazing 22 miles per hour, built for pure hydrodynamic speed. Observation test. Spot the odd emoji that doesn't match the rest. There it was! Shout out to everyone who caught the imposter in time. How many beating hearts does an octopus have? A. 1, B. 2, or C. 3? C is the winner. An octopus has 3 hearts to pump its copper-rich blue blood through its body and gills. What do you call this razor-toothed reef dweller? B. The moray eel. They even have a second hidden set of jaws in their throat to pull prey down. Looks straight out of a sci-fi movie. What percentage of the Earth's surface is covered by oceans? A. 21%, B. 71%, or C. 91%? B. Roughly 71%. We truly live on a giant water planet. Who crawls out at night to lay eggs in beach sand? Penguin or sea turtle? Sea turtle takes this one. Females travel thousands of miles to lay eggs on the exact beach where they were born. Which fish can't be served as sushi without a certified master license? A. The pufferfish. One tiny mistake while preparing fugu can release lethal poison into the dish. Would you dare to try a bite? True or false? The cuttlefish can mimic other sea creatures. True! They change both their skin color and 3D texture to disguise themselves as rocks or corals. Would you rather swim surrounded by hungry sharks or take the easy way out and smash that like button right now? Lock in your choice before the timer runs out. Which colossal prehistoric shark was the largest ever to exist? A. Megalodon, B. Helicoprion, or C. Dunkleosteus? A. The Megalodon. Growing over 50 feet long, its jaws were strong enough to crush a prehistoric whale's ribcage in a single bite. Which armored ancient fish had razor-sharp bony plates instead of teeth? Dunkleosteus or Megalodon? The Dunkleosteus! This prehistoric predator could snap its jaws shut in just 20 milliseconds with incredible crushing force. Prehistoric marine reptiles like plesiosaurs were actual dinosaurs. True or false? False! Plesiosaurs and mosasaurs were marine reptiles, completely distinct from land-dwelling dinosaurs. Which spiral-shelled ancient creature is a close relative of today's octopus and squid? A. Trilobite, B. Ammonite, or C. Anomalocaris? B. The Ammonite. They dominated ancient seas for hundreds of millions of years before going extinct alongside the dinosaurs.
Count up your score and see how many you got right out of 50. Thanks for playing today's Ocean Trivia Challenge. Did you crush it or get wrecked by the deep sea? Drop your score below. Don't forget to like, subscribe to 1000 Plus Quiz, and turn on notifications for the next challenge. See ya! Bye!